Good morning to all. Sit in Sukhasana. Hands resting on the knees in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Asato ma sadgamaya tamasho ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Santihi Harihi Om Tat Sat Om Namaha.
Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Inhale. Bring your head upwards, stretching backwards. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Now we switch over to the next movement. It is called neck rotation. Exhale. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Rotate your head from right side to the halfway. Inhale. Complete the rotation by bringing it to the normal position. Do it for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Now we do it anti-clockwise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start wrist rotation movement. Stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Fold your fingers and rotate your wrist clockwise. Rotate them for 4 times. Now we rotate them in anti-clockwise direction. Rotate them in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Relax. Put your hands down. Now we start shoulder rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level, palms facing upwards. Exhale, place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Join your elbows. Inhale, rotate your elbow clockwise to the halfway. Exhale, bring them to normal position. We repeat this for 3 times. We inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Repeat the same in the anti-clock direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax. Put your hands down slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Please sit down. Now we start leg movements. Leg movements help us reduce knee pains and help strengthening muscles. Dandasana. Technique. Take a footstep gap between 2 legs. Bring your both hands to your back to support your body. This posture helps you to relax. Come to Samasthiti. Now we start toes bending movement. Join your both legs together. Exhale. Bend your toes slowly downwards. Inhale. Bend your toes slowly upwards. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Now we start ankle bending movement. Exhale, bend your feet slowly downwards, both the feet. Inhale, bend your feet slowly upwards. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Now we switch on to the next movement. It is ankle rotating movement. First, bend your feet downwards and start rotating. Bend your feet downwards and start rotating them in clockwise direction for 4 times. Rotate them in clockwise direction for 4 times. Now, upwards. Bend your feet upwards and rotate them in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Now in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Relax. Come to Dandasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Samasthiti. Join your both legs together. Samasthiti. Join your both legs together. Now let's move on to the next one, knee bending movement. Exhale, bring your right leg close to your chest. Inhale, straighten your leg without touching ground. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Now we do the same to the left leg for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Dandasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Samasthiti.
Sukhasana. Lay down postures. Lay down and prone postures. Lay down back Savasana. Legs between 1 feet distance. Body beside the palms. Completely body relax whole body relax. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Uttana Padasana, Savasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Samastiti. Join your legs, hands together. Slowly raise your right leg at 45 degrees angle. Do not knee bend. Down, slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your left leg at 45 degrees angle. Observe your body parts, observe your position. Concentrate, eyebrows center. Do not knee bend. Slowly down, breathe out. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Slowly raise your both legs. Observe your natural breath. Do not knee bend. Slowly down, breathe out. Relax. Savasana. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Do 3 times. Samastiti. Join your legs, hands together, body beside the palms on the ground. Navasana. Raise your both legs. Raise your head with hands raised. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly down. Legs, hands, head down. Relax. Savasana. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Samastiti. Join your legs. Join your hands. Body beside the palms. Prone postures. Raise your right hand. Turn your body. Fully turn. Stomach, chest. Touch the ground. Chin. Touch the ground. Join your legs. Hands together. Body beside the palms. On the ground. Slowly raise your right leg. Salabhasana. Observe your natural breath. Down, slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your left leg. As possible as raise. Do not strain. Do not knee bend. Down, slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your both legs. Salabhasana. Under the legs, hands. Raise your both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, slowly breathe out. Relax, Makarasana. Legs between 1 feet distance. Turn your palms. Foot opposite heels. Relax, Makarasana. Relaxation, one of the relaxation posture. Makarasana. Join your legs. Hands down. Raise your hands. Stretch your body. Slowly raise your right leg. Now consent. Raise your left hand with head raise. Down. Slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your left leg. Hand with head raise. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down slowly. Raise your both legs and both hands raise with head raise. Inhale. Raise your both legs, both hands with head raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down slowly, breathe out. Relax, Makarasana. Bend your hands under the head, palms. Relax, Makarasana. Legs between 1 feet distance. Opposite heels. Samasthiti. Join your legs. Hands down slowly. This position, Samasthiti. Bhujangasana. Chest beside the palms on the ground. Slowly raise your head and chest up to navel region. Down, slowly breathe out. Slowly raise your head and chest up to navel region. Concentrate on eyebrow center. Observe your natural breath. Down, slowly breathe out. Relax. Hands down. This is like this. Makarasana, one of the variation. Relaxation posture. Like this position, Makarasana. Head beside the palms. Relax. Slowly, Dhanurasana. Fold your right leg. Catch right ankle. Fold your left leg. Catch left ankle. Stretch your body. Raise up. Raise your legs. Stretch your hands. Raise your head and chest up. 1. As possible as stretch up. Down. Breathe out. Repeat 1 round. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs up. Raise your head and chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Release your legs. Hands down. Relax Makarasana. One of the relaxation posture, Makarasana.
Now form Savasana. Samasthiti. Now let's start another pose, Pavana Muktasana. Now let's see some amazing benefits of Pavana Muktasana. It strengthens the abdominal muscles and massages the intestines and internal organs of the digestive system, therefore releasing trapped gases and improving digestion. It improves the circulation of blood in the hip area. It eases the tension in the lower back. It helps to stretch the back and neck. Samasthiti. Now let's see the technique of this Pavana Muktasana. First, lie flat on your back on a smooth surface, ensuring that your feet are together and your arms are placed beside your body. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest and press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hands around your legs as if you are hugging your knees. Hold the asana while you breathe normally. Every time you exhale, make sure you tighten the grip of the hands on the upper shins and increase the pressure on your chest. Every time you inhale, ensure that you loosen the grip. Exhale and release the pose after you rock and roll from side to side about 3 to 5 times. Okay. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Savasana. Now let's do the Pavana Muktasana with single leg. First, lie flat on your back on a smooth surface, ensuring that your feet are together and your arms are placed beside your body. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, bring your right knee towards your chest and press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hands around your legs as if you are hugging your knee. Hold the asana while you breathe normally. Every time you exhale, make sure you tighten the grip of the hands on the upper shins and increase the pressure on your chest. Every time you inhale, ensure that you loosen the grip. Now, exhale. Inhale. Relax. Savasana. Now let's do the Pavana Muktasana with left leg. Same procedure. Please follow the same procedure. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Savasana. Now let's move on to Setu Bandhasana. It is also called bridge pose. Let's see some amazing benefits of this Setubandhasana. It stretches the chest, neck, spine, and hips. It helps relieve symptoms of menopause. It reduces backache and headache. And it also rejuvenates tired legs. Now let's see the technique of this bridge pose. To begin, lie on your back. Fold your knees and keep your feet hip distance apart on the floor. Now fold your knees and keep your feet hip distance apart on the floor, 10 to 12 inches from your pelvis, with knees and ankles in a straight line. Keep your arms beside your body, palms facing downward. Inhaling, slowly lift your lower back.
ఇక్కడ పట్టుకోమని యాంగిల్ పట్టుకోమని చెప్పండి సార్. పామ్స్ ఎవరి గ్రౌండ్ టచ్ చేస్తున్నాను ఇలా యాంగిల్ పట్టుకోమని చెప్పండి.
Now hold your both ankles with your both palms. Inhaling, slowly lift your lower back, middle back, and upper back off the floor. Gently roll in the shoulders. Touch the chest to the chin without bringing the chin down. Supporting your weight with your shoulders, arms, and feet. Feel your bottom firm up in this pose. Both the thighs are parallel to each other and to the floor. If you wish, you could interlace the fingers and push the hands on the floor to lift the torso a little more up, or you could support your back with your palms. Keep breathing easily. Hold the posture for a minute or two and exhale as you gently release the pose. Now let's repeat this for 2 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now relax. Savasana. Now slowly inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Samasthiti. Please get up. Sukhasana. Now let us see the meaning of Surya Bhedana. In yogic terminology, the right nostril referred to the gateway of sun energy or Pingala Nadi, and left nostril is gateway of moon energy or Ida Nadi. Sun energy is the representation of hot or masculine vitality in the body, while moon energy represents calmness or feminine vitality. If we go by the literal meaning of Surya Bhedana, Surya means sun, Bhedana means piercing or entering. Surya Bhedana pranayama is the deep inhalation of breath through the right nostril, then holding the breath for as long as comfortable, and finally exhaling through the left nostril. Now sit in any comfortable position, but sit erect. Form Prana Mudra with your right hand. When you close your right nostril, use your right thumb. When you close your left nostril, use your right finger, ring finger, and little finger. Is the deep inhalation of breath through the right nostril, then holding the breath for as long as comfortable, and finally exhaling through the left nostril. Let us do it. Inhale through right nostril, hold it for some time. Exhale it through left nostril. Now repeat this. Inhale through right nostril, hold it for some time. Exhale through left nostril. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Relax. Let us move on to the next one, Bhramari Pranayama. It is also known as humming bee breath. Let us see the benefits of this posture. Bhramari relieves stress and cerebral tension. It also helps elevating anger, anxiety, and insomnia. Now, sit in a comfortable meditation asana. Close the eyes and relax the whole body for a short time. Put your index fingers in both of your ears and start listening to the humming sound within your body. The humming sound should be smooth, even, and continuous for the duration of the exhalation.
Relax.
Start Swasti prayer.
ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां शान्तिः भवतु। सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ तत्सत्। ॐ नमः। ॐ नमः।
Thank you.